Alright, we are outside today. Lost brakes. No brakes, all gas. So we're gonna run the Me Boys. See what they got, baby. Let's see what you got. Running all motor today, baby. Running all motor today. With the fam. My supporters. My fans. Hey, puro pinche fast boys a la verga, homeboy. Fucking hey, dude, we're out here with the E guys. The E boys. And Jenny. What's up, brother?
What's up, man?
This man about to race. What was your name again, dude?
Blake.
Blake. Yeah. There we go, Blake.
Mini run, bro.
Hell yeah, brother. Hell yeah. So this is the one that's gonna race the big block.
Yeah, I'm a race. I guess I'll race the big block too with this thing, I guess, man.
Fucking hey, dude. Hell yeah, man.
Whenever you are ready, I mean, I don't know what, are you gonna race him first?
Yeah, I think he's ready. Okay. He's not ready, and I got no brakes, so no brakes, all gas, baby. So yeah, I ain't got no brakes, all gas. We're out here with Blake. I've seen your stuff, brother. You're fast, dude. It's fucking
right,
fast.
Man.
You know, it's fast. I got an e-bike myself. I got a 72 volt RSF.
Yeah.
It fucking goes, bro. I take off any 212 that's fully built.
Yeah.
Off the 330, I'm gone, bro.
Yeah.
That's just a 72 volt.
Yeah.
I know what these things do. I just want the QS.
It's a KO motor.
KO motor.
Yeah, EBMX 9000, 72 volt battery. I mean, she's over 300 amps, so.
Yeah. I mean, I have highly respect for these things. Not from Tech, Louisiana, right? You guys Louisiana?
Yeah. Southwest, man.
Yeah, fucking A, dude. Fucking A. Well, no excuses. We're out here to run, have fun, you know?
Yeah.
As of now, I have the title of the fastest minibike in Texas, and we have a high chance to take that shit home, dude. Hey, dude, let the best man win. I'm running all motor today. My bike is built for nitrous, so I'm gonna lose a lot of power, but I'm still down to run, brother. And I don't have my jockey. He has all the seat time on it. Yeah. But just have fun, boys.
Sounds good,
have fun, man.
All right.
Peace out, brothers.
Come here.